Okay, so basically what I'm doing right now is I'm actually just going to go through each of the packets to make sure that I've got everything that I need there. So I've got a Sharpie, which I'm going to write onto the top of this, and just a little bit of nail polish remover. We'll remove that when I'm finished working with this particular diamond painting. So I'm just going to grab my pencil and I'm going to start just looking for the numbers, and then I will make sure that I've got what I'm supposed to have. So this is 3835, and yes, there is only one of them. Okay, so in this pack here, you can see here that it's 3865, and it says it has 49. Okay, so what they've done is enlarge the packet, and then they've put a number 5 on that. So you can just make it out the number 5. So this little pack here equates to being 5 of these little packets. Okay, so basically this, I've got 9 of those there. So 9 fives are 45, and then I've got another 4 packets here which make 49. So there is definitely 49 packets there. So just be aware of that. So if you do get that on some of your diamond paintings, and it's not just limited to this company, I've actually seen it come from companies from Wish and from AliExpress and all those sort of places. So just be aware of that sometimes they'll have it written like that, and there'll be an extra number on your packet. So they're all there, so now I can start marking them out. And what I do to make it easier for my selection when I'm working away, I actually number each one 1 to whatever it ends to. So this one I will just put beside the little symbol a 1, a 2, 3, 4 and 5, and continue on between each one. And then basically I also put a 1, so then I'll number these as well as having the code that I'm looking for as well. The color code. So there's 15 numbers all up. So basically and this can all be rubbed off. So I make sure that all my little pots are up the right way. And I just put 1. And then so I've got 15 colours all up, so I've numbered 1 to 15, and now I can go through and wait for that to dry a little bit, and then I can go through and put the colour codes through. And when I'm using them, I just put them back into that, and then it just makes it easy. I just get a little bit of nail polish remover or whiteboard cleaner or something along those lines, and it'll actually get rid of it for you. So, and then I can reuse them for another project. And that's it. And now I can start actually opening up each one. I can find the packet that I'm looking for, and I just open that up, and then I just tip the little diamond drills in there. And this is what I do to prep for each project. So as you can see, this one is now full, and I do have several more that I've got to put in there. So I've got some other jars that are a little bit bigger, If there's only a couple of jars, I'll just write another one of these up. But because there's a fair few of this one, I actually get my bigger jars, which are just over here. And I'll just put the remainder in these ones over here, and I'll write what that is on top. So it's 9, exactly what I've got written on that one, and it's 963. And then I can fill that up. And then when I run out of this one, I can just top it up. And then that one I can just sit aside, and then I've got it there to top this one back up. Okay, so you can see there, that's what I do, that's how I prep, and then they're all ready to go, and I have all my tools and everything as well. I generally just leave these empty ones in there, just keeps it neat and tidy. But yeah, that's how I prep to get ready to do my project. I hope you liked this little insight to how I prepare for my diamond paintings, and I'll see you again next time. My name's Nicole Reid for Darvanalee Design Studio. Bye for now.